In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine two existing decks into one deck. This is really useful when you're looking for stuff that might be very prevalent on Quizlet. So I'm looking at conservation of matter. So I really like to look for the ones that teachers did to at least start with. So let's look at this one. And this one looks very relevant to what I'm trying to do. So I see there's a lot of vocab that I see in my book and on my lists, and nothing that really looks like it stands out is not supposed to be there. So I copy this so I could have my own copy. And I call this conservation of matter 1 because I'm going to go find another one. And then I can go, let me see all of that, and I can go back and re-enter my search term. And I saw one down here that I wanted to add as well. This one right here. It has different pictures and slightly different vocabulary. So I'm going to make a copy of this one and call it conservation of matter 2 so I can put them together properly. And create this one. And then I can close that and go out to Quizlet. And you can see 1 and 2. So I want to combine them together. So I go up here to these 3 dots and I hit combine. And you can combine in lots of different ways, but I want to combine into a set. So I click that one, and then I want to include this one. And then you can see it moved over, and I just hit create. And then I can rename it. So conservation of matter combo, but then I decided, well, maybe I'll just do it conservation of matter because they're together. So I can hit create. And close that. And I can scroll down and see that both decks are together. And that there's no overlap between the vocabulary that I want to delete or get rid of, because you can do that as well. So I'm happy with that. I can go back up to the top. And I can then add that to the folder or class that I want. So I want Science Study Group. And I can close this and go back out and double check that it is actually in the group that I want it in. So I can go out and click on it. And I can see, yep, right there, conservation of matter. And if I click it, just double check, it's all there. Yep, the whole thing's there. And it keeps it nice and clean within the folder or the classroom because you have one deck instead of multiple that you have to study. Okay, great. Hope that was helpful.